This is the question in which you have to just factorize it. First part is given. First part is given. Key factorize 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square plus 4xy. So what to do? You have to just write down the first part, 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square plus 4xy. After then you have to just multiply it in the first term. You get 1 minus 1 into 1 into minus y square and x square in minus x square into 1 minus x square and minus x square into minus y square plus x square y square plus 4xy. After then what to do? 4xy you can write 2xy plus 2xy. 2xy plus 2xy. This one. 4xy you can written as 2xy plus 2xy. So 1 2xy combined with 1 and x square y square. So what to do? You have to take the just 3 part put together. 1 and 1 part is 4xy यानी कि 2xy and x square y square. So you get 1 plus 2xy plus x square y square. After then the remaining term will be what? The remaining term will be minus x square minus y square plus 2xy. Take the common minus, you get 1 minute. 1 plus 2xy plus x square y square. You can write 1 plus xy whole square because you know that a plus b of whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a there is 1 and in place of b there is xy. So you can write 1 plus xy of whole square. After then if you take the common you get in bracket x square minus 2xy plus y square. You can write it x minus y of whole square. Now you can see that 1 plus xy whole square minus x minus y whole square. You can apply the formula a square b square, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here is 1 plus xy whole square, 1 plus xy and b is x minus y. So just you write a plus b यानी कि 1 plus xy plus x minus y and in another bracket 1 minus x a minus x b यानी कि 1 plus xy minus x minus minus y. तो minus into minus plus y. So this will be answer 1 xy plus x minus y into 1 plus xy minus x plus y. Now the second part. Second part is given p minus 2q minus p square plus 4q square. If there is a positive sign with p square, please put in your book p square, coefficient of p square is minus p square. Now it will be the incorrect form p minus 2q minus p square plus 4q square. So we have to just combine it. How? P minus 2q in one bracket, and if you take the common minus sign from here, you can write minus in bracket p square minus 4q square. Now in the third line p minus 2q in first bracket and in second bracket you can write p square minus 2q whole square. Now you can apply the formula a square minus b square. You get p minus 2q and p plus 2q. After then you have to take the common p minus 2q because there is p minus 2q and there is also p minus 2q. So you can take the common. After taking the common it will be p minus 2q into in second bracket 1 minus in bracket p plus 2q. Just open it, you get p minus 2q into 1 minus p minus 2q. Both answer will be correct. You can write either this or either this. Thank you. Now, the next part is given. Evaluate minus 12 of whole cube plus 7q plus 5q. And second one is given 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube minus 13 whole cube. You have to use the identity. A plus b plus c equal to 0. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, aq plus bq plus cq will be 3abc. So here first part is given minus 12 of whole cube plus 7q plus 5q. So a equal to minus 12, b equal to 7 and c equal to 5. If you sum all these three values a, b, c, you get 0. It means you can apply the formula aq plus bq plus cq equal to 3abc. So it will be 3abc. And now put value of abc, you get the answer. You have to multiply it. It's your duty. You have to multiply. Now the second part is 28 of whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube. Same you can do just like at the first part. ABC, value of ABC, firstly find the value of ABC, after then sum all these, you get 0. It means you can use the identity aq plus bq plus cq equal to 3abc. So this will be 3abc and put the value of abc. Here minus 15 into minus 13, minus into minus, it will be plus. So you can write 2 into 28 into 15 into 13. After then you have to just multiply and get the result. In next video I will show you some another problems asked by the student. Thank you.